Hi, in this video on the SLIM70-PRO we will talk about the audio de-embedder. Why do we need it? Well, for example, you may need to extract the audio from the source before it goes on to your projector or display, and without the need for any additional hardware it will save you space, interconnect cables, an extra power supply, and so will save you time and money. Normally you would need a separate device to be able to do this, but an audio de-embedder is built into the SLIM70-PRO. It's a bonus feature and one that you'll be able to easily take advantage of. The transmitter unit has the audio de-embedder output on it, and it extracts the source audio via a 3.5mm audio jack. So why is this feature so great? Well, because you can take the audio from the incoming video source to feed an external audio amplifier or audio distribution system that forms part of your installation. Yes, the unit provides de-embedded audio as either an analog stereo signal or as a digital optical signal, including 2-channel, 7.1 LPCM, Dolby Digital and DTS formats. We can see that we have multiple advantages offered to us by choosing the SLIM70-PRO HDBaseT extender, the most advanced HDBaseT extender currently on the market. So thanks for watching this episode, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.
SY, the center of your connected world.